Alright, so let's unbox the Jadens thermal label printer. Got this on Amazon. It's a US plug here. I believe it also comes under different plugs, but this is US plug. Okay. No toner, no ink, high printing speed, timely customer support. So it's compatible with major shipping platforms like all these. Let's unbox this. Alright, so what we have here is the directions with what we have in the box. We have a USB cable, we have a power adapter and cable. The printer itself, I believe it's paper. Let's see. Yeah, you get the paper as well. You get a manual. I don't know what this is, but we'll unbox that. So this is a USB cable, and that's the printer itself. And get a box here. I don't know what this is, but yeah, I think this is a power cable. Let's keep this aside and get this open. Okay, so that's your label printer. It's a user manual, and I believe this is a USB. I don't know what this is, but I'll check that out. And you have a USB-C cable port. All right then, thank you.